Mahesh Kumar ji.
Sir, one.
Please, ma'am.
Are filled with tears. Thank you.
You start.
Sir, thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to discuss on the important legislation on Immigration and Foreign Bill 2025, a progressive step towards strengthening the nation's security while following the principle of Vasudhaiva Kutumbam. Sir, our India, my India, is incredible India. Sir, if you see, Kashmir is like Switzerland. When you see Rajasthan, it is like UAE, deserts, and beautiful rivers, and old cultural temples. And sir, old India and new India, urban India. So, lot of foreign tourists or foreign immigrants are coming to India from, it's been increased after COVID. Sir, if you see, when they are coming into the country, all the parts of the world, irrespective of the region, race, gender, however, there are proper steps and procedures to be followed when one enters into the country. And existing society, illegal immigration has become a deep concern of India. According to established by the number of illegal immigrants resident in India has increased by approximately 10 to 15% annually over the decade. In 2020-21, it was reported that there were 2 million undocumented immigrants living in India, with a sufficient numbers of coming from neighbor countries. Sir, and now, lot of immigrants from foreigners come to India for education. I am very proud to say, sir, that today our Indian education is having a good institutions in our India. Before, we used to go to other countries to study for higher educations. Now, foreign people like US, even countries, Europe, all those countries where before we used to go, from last 1 decade, people are coming to India for higher educations. Like, if you see, sir, India has seen 45% increase overall. The last 10 years, over 50,000 students from 160 countries are coming to India for higher studies. Sir, as they are coming, as India emerges as a global education destination, maintaining accurate and secure records becomes essential. We must make sure that the process of such collection remains smooth and respectable for the individual privacy as a protected, as a priority. Sir, and today, before 10 years back or 20 years back, people for good medical used to go for countries, out of countries for the good medical. But today, other countries are coming to India for medical to India, especially for the cancer medical. People are traveling from other countries to coming to India. Sir, if you see, we have seen impressive growth in medical tourism with the sector growth of 18% over the last 5 years. Post-COVID, we have saw a rapid increase in patients from across the world. Saw our country medical institution potentials. Since 2020-23, India has welcomed over 7 lakh medical tourists, contributing approximately 9 billion to our country. As we grow in this field, there is a need in maintaining compensative records of patients so that as they travel back from forth between our countries and theirs, a chain of information is maintained. I would like to ask the Minister to maintain safeguard as per our data privacy legislation, which must be placed in the protect sensitive information and prevent violation of privacy. Sir, The bill mandates the formation of Bureau of Immigration to oversee the proper implementation of the bill. While the Bureau tackles regarding immigration coming into our country, I would like to raise the concern of Indians stuck in foreign countries, especially children and women who have been taken away from their homes and taken away from their foreign countries. Sir, my state, Andhra Pradesh, has faced trouble issues of women and even transgender disappearing causes a lot pain for grief of their families. Our Deputy CM Pawan Kalyan ji has raised this issue lot of times. I have put a private member bill regarding establishment of Bureau of Missing Individual Women and Children, up a database to keep a track of individuals who have gone missing from their homes and in the state investigation of speeding up this issue. I would like to urge the Honourable Minister to consider the suggestions. And sir, I am concluding, sir. The immigration bill
माननीय सदस्य साहब समाप्त कीजिए.
Sir, one second, sir. Sir, promoting India's principle of Vasudhaiva Kutumbam. Therefore, I support the bill, sir. Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू. माननीय सदस्य श्रीमती लवली आनंद जी.